Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Are you looking for the perfect leather boots? I want to show you these awesome Frye boots. I love tall leather boots and I have several pairs, but these are my absolute favorites. This is the Melissa Button 2 Equestrian inspired tall boots. These are made from a genuine leather. They are so gorgeous. The leather color is beautiful. This is the cognac color and it has this really pretty antique metal hardware on the outer, and this has a 15.5-inch shaft height. It's got a nice low heel, so these are comfortable to wear all day long. And the nice thing about these leather boots is they start to really conform to your foot over time. And so they're super comfortable and very, very long lasting. I wear a size 7 and they are true to size. However, when you first get these boots, they're a little bit tricky to put on, but as they wear over time and they break in a little bit, it definitely gets a lot easier. So don't get discouraged if they're hard to pull on, but there are these inner pull tabs that do help and make it easier. Overall, these are just an awesome pair of boots. So I love these boots. I wear them all the time. They go with everything and they are just perfection. And that is my point of view.